welcome the entrance of colors. We ask a minute of silence for our prayer to be led by John Luis Neto,
to be followed by the singing of our national anthem, to be conducted by Andrea Luis Tayaw, and to be sung by Shini Sharon Duan.
You may now be seated. A pleasant morning to everyone gathered here today. To our ICSB President, Dr. Alejandro S. Cruz, to our Directress, Mrs. Aurora O. Cruz, to our School Principal, Mrs. Maria Audrey C. Lubiano.
Also, to the rest of ICSB staff and teaching personnel, to our dear parents and guests who made it here this morning, most especially to our smart, intelligent, immaculate. Good morning and welcome to ICSB.
You know what, Cruz? I can feel the heart-pounding and overwhelming feelings of our dear parents that are here with us this morning. I can also see in the eyes of our students how satisfied they are with their entire school year accomplishments.
You're right with that, Chanel. After a year of hard work, perseverance, and patience you have given, I guess it's time for us to be acknowledged and recognized for giving up nothing but our best in the previous school year.
That is why we are gathered this morning to witness the achievers for the school year 2009 to 2010 as they receive their awards.
But before we proceed to the awarding ceremony, let's first hear a welcome remark from one of our Academic Excellence Awardees, none other than Hilary Marge Orbeta.
This ceremony will not be completed without hearing an inspirational message coming from our ICSB President. Let's give a warm welcome to Dr. Alejandro S. Cruz.
Someone told that you were